Introducing the DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro. It comes complete with XYZware Pro, a comprehensive 3D slicing software. This software lets you adjust your own print settings so you can optimize print quality. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro also supports third-party slicing. Besides printing from your computer via USB, you can also upload files to an SD card and print directly. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro supports the use of third-party filaments, so you can print from a greater range of suppliers. To automate the printing process and increase print quality, the printer supports auto-loading and auto-calibration. With a 5.9 inches cubed build volume, you can create larger prints. The DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro has a max print speed of 100 millimeters per second, making prints fast. Without sacrificing print quality, you can also use an optional 0.3 millimeter extruder. This allows you to get high-detailed 50 micron resolution. With XYZ Printing, you have all the tools to start your 3D printing journey, from slicing to 3D design software, online tutorials to customer service. And with a 1-year warranty, we've got you covered for any creative adventure.
We all like to express ourselves by customizing the world around us. A 3D printer allows you to do that. I'm an engineer. I've been involved in 3D printing for over a decade. I've seen firsthand the amazing things that people can do with this technology, and I'm excited about bringing it to everybody. We developed this great low-cost printer, but what still doesn't exist in the marketplace is a fantastic end-to-end user experience. Recognizing this is why we partnered with Frog, one of the world's leading design firms, to help us create a suite of tools to make the whole process simple.
When we started working on this project, we gave ourselves this provocation. What if you could send a 3D print to someone like you send them a text message?
We want to make this as easy as downloading an app for your phone, and this is a game changer. Having a curated library is important because we know everything on there is going to be good. It's going to be from designers who know how to design for a 3D printer.
You'll be able to read about the artists, and so you can learn more about them. You can see the objects themselves in the context of homes and really get inspired by what other people have done with their objects.
Once you've selected your objects, you can modify it. And we wanted to make this process as simple as modifying a photo on your phone.
You can add shapes to it, you can adorn it with your initials, you can preview different colored filaments. You get to experiment and tinker with this thing, move it around in space, and really see what it will look like before you make it real.
This technology we've developed not only brings the cost of the hardware down, but it also makes it work better. The parts just turn out great.
All of the little fiddling and adjustments that have been to date required to get good results have been done for you. So it's one-click printing, and you've got a great object.
One of the really exciting things about having such an affordable 3D printer is that more of your friends and family can have one. So suddenly you can create and modify these objects, and then you can share them with your friends and family, and they can render it off on their printer. And then they can upload photos back onto the library.
At the end of the day, we wanted to create a 3D printing experience that is meaningful to the way that you currently approach communicating with the people in your lives. So create relationships, not just objects.
We need your help to prove that a low-cost, easy-to-use 3D printer is exciting. We need your help to bring a user community to life. We're going to improve the product over time. We're going to add designs to the library. And your help is going to ensure that that's a success.
My name is Kara Sawinska, and I work at Aleph Objects Incorporated. We make the Lowellspot line of desktop 3D printers here in Loveland, Colorado. Today at Rapid, we are debuting the Lowellspot Taz 6 3D printer. It's our newest printer on the Taz line. It features self-leveling, self-cleaning, an integrated power supply, and tons of different materials that you can print with. So the Taz 6 is an evolution in the Taz line. It has self-leveling, self-cleaning, and an integrated and enclosed power supply. It features a wide range of materials that it's compatible to print with, ranging from PLA, HIPS, ABS, all the way to nylons, polycarbonate, and Nova 1800. It's huge build volume to print on, and just lots of support that you can have from the Lowellspot community via our forum, as well as 7-day-a-week technical support. The Taz 6 appeals to both beginners and advanced users. The automatic bed leveling is a huge part of that, so everybody from the Fortune 500 companies down to the startups, as well as makers and educators too. Aleph Objects is a free software, Libre innovation, and open source hardware. So all of our materials are abiding by that principle as well, and all the files are available online. So the user can really grow with their machine and modify it as they see fit, and the Taz 6 is a perfect embodiment of that as well.
Monoprice makes 3D printing affordable. Based on the best-selling MP Select 3D Printer V2, the Plus improves upon key areas. It's easy to unbox and set up with the consolidated two-piece design. New features include a smaller footprint and a touchscreen interface, and the streamlined print head and ribbon cable ensure there are no interruptions while printing. It's the best value under $500. Monoprice brings affordability to the 3D printing revolution, so all creative people can bring their ideas to life.